The dreaded friend zone is a common experience for many people who have felt unrequited attraction towards a friend. There is debate on whether friendship can coexist with romantic feelings, as seducing a friend is different from attracting someone new. Success depends on the strength of your existing friendship, as risking it for a romantic relationship can be daunting. Building a strong foundation of friendship is crucial before attempting a seduction, as it sets the stage for a potential relationship. Regular communication, making them feel good about themselves, and ensuring the timing is right are key factors in a successful seduction. Spending quality time together, finding moments for intimate interactions, and incorporating light touching and flirtation can help escalate the relationship. Gauging your friend's reactions to your advances and making a bold move when the time is right are essential steps in transitioning from friendship to something more.